is what it's gonna look like before it, like when it's on the wall, when it's like all together. But I think I did a horrible job. But it's the thought that counts, so it don't even matter. All this shit is high as hell. The times we living in. This rich nigga energy. Y'all look still drinking that Don. I don't know if I'm doing this right. You know what? I'm not doing this right. Mind you, Valentine's Day is tomorrow, and this stuff just looks so cute. I can't pass it by.
It's always
Y'all saw me. I was. This is the original color. She over there making the smoothest smooth. What? Fire, fire. It's icy. So icy. Get some work done. Oh, this is the ice cream I've been looking for. Oh, they got the kind that I'ma eat. Hey, y'all, so right now I'm outside. My skin is dry as fuck. Damn. Shit. Okay. Woke up from the nap. That's when I should have recorded, honestly. I'm very much tripping. I'm telling y'all, I gotta get back used to picking y'all up. But outside running errands, cleaning stuff for the house, about to go grocery shopping, stuff like that. You know, just little stuff. Getting life together and shit, I guess. As y'all see, it was a big jump from the car to here. We basically just finished putting up the food, as you just seen, putting up this stuff. Let me show y'all the couch. I would say it's probably most likely full formed out by now. Yeah, because we've had it for about a week now. It's probably expanded out to its fullest form. Me personally, I like it. Don't mind the bucket right there. We about to take that to our mama's house. And the water, we just got that from the stove. But yeah, one thing I will say is we will need a lint roller to keep it clean, because none of that. Yeah. And I just ordered more stuff for the living room. I ordered the rug, I ordered the pictures that's gonna go up on the wall, ordered the pictures that's gonna go up in the kitchen, and then we'll get some more pictures in here. For sure, but the only big thing else that's coming in this area is the table that's gonna go right there. Everything else is pretty much cool. Don't mind that. Y'all see the how it's looking. We just came from the stove. We getting life together. Y'all see. But yeah, I'm fucking with it. I fucks with the kids out. Okay, but as far as the flowers, these are the flowers that we got for her mama. These is the ones I picked out because pink is like gratitude, and Taylor picked out their ones. I don't know why she picked that color, but she picked that color. Why'd you pick that color?
They're white.
Why'd you pick that color?
Because.
Just because they white?
No.
So she picked the color because they're white.
No, I picked the color all white like a goddess.
All white like a goddess? You know what does the flower mean?
Flower white means it resembles something.
Okay, guys. I am just now leaving the crib. Just finished cleaning.
Y'all got 5 seconds. This camera smell on my face before I punch both of y'all in your mouth. I swear to God on everything. Y'all better both get these cameras from my face. I ain't playing with none of y'all right now, bro.
just finished cleaning up and stuff like that. So now it's time to get the day started. Mind y'all, it's Super Bowl weekend. So it's time to turn up and get outside. Y'all know how Unc do it. Unc does it big now. Child, anyway.
Anyways.
So yeah, I'm right here about to roll up some graham crackers. I just feel like life is really good. I just feel like, why is this heat blasting? It's hot.
I don't know. I just got the car and just pulled off.
Can we
Dude,
turn it
just
on?
go ahead. Help yourself. Do this. I'm trying to help you now.
Y'all, I need to go get my braces too. We on our way to the store to run our errands. We got to find something to wear for tomorrow for Super Bowl day. And then we, like I told y'all earlier, then we take her mama out to eat for her birthday. So y'all probably see all that good too. But I don't know if YouTube allows this, but yeah, just let me know. Comment down below. Until then, yeah, y'all know where we on the way to. Ooh, well, we should stop at the hair store first or something. I need oil in my head. Oh shit, there go y'all spot. There go y'all spot. See y'all spot right there. Here in 2025, this ain't nothing to play with. We leaving them all. I only got an Ed or Hardy hoodie. That's the only thing I found here, and I actually like it. So that is what I'm gonna be wearing tomorrow. With some sweats and these forces that I got on. I already had everything. I just needed a top. Yeah, I don't even know why we came to this mall. Like, this is the only mall in the city. Like, we always come into this mall like this is the only mall. And then we never find, and then we always claim that we don't find nothing. Cause it's, I was about to say, what the fuck is that? It's crazy. And then all this shit is high as hell. The times we living in. Now we going on about our business, about our life, like nothing ever happened. Cause we really the shit. Yeah, y'all. I feel I know y'all seen me going out that door last night, but I ended up falling asleep. I don't know what it is, but I'm always falling asleep on Saturdays. I can never hang, and it sucks really bad. But last night we ended up getting us some Douce, this rich nigga energy. Y'all look still drinking that Don. Y'all need to quit drinking that shit for T-Daddy. T-Daddy gonna get y'all now. Y'all keep fucking around with that Don Julio. He gonna make y'all act the Julio now. I'm telling you. Y'all better listen to y'all uncle. That's what's wrong with kids these days. They don't never want to listen to us too late. I used to do the same thing when I was younger. I'm telling you.
Girl, bye.
But yeah, I just woke up. About to go to the gym. Shit, I ain't even tired though, low key. It's Super Bowl. It's Super Bowl Sunday. I could start drinking. It's 6:13. I could start drinking right now if y'all ready. That's how I ain't even tired. I'm fine. Probably because I fell asleep, but. Touch my body, put it on. But yeah. I'm about to get ready, put some music on, put my fit on. It's still early as fuck. It's only like, what time is it?
Not even, what, 8 o'clock?
It's not even 8 o'clock.
Or 8 o'clock.
But this is me. This is just what I do. Like, even on days, like anytime that I have an outfit or I'm going somewhere or I know that I'm doing something, you can count on me to get up early in the morning and start my day and put my fit on. That's just me. I like to dress up. I like to look good. Don't tell me we got an opportunity to put some clothes on and do something, or put some clothes on and go somewhere, or just anything. I need some oil on this side. I don't have a clue exactly what we're gonna be doing today, but I just know I'm gonna look good. I low-key want to wear my hair out to show my color, but I low-key like the outfit better with the beanie, if that makes sense. I need to start doing abs in the gym. I really only been doing arms and legs. I gotta get back to abs. They still there though. Y'all see, where'd they go? Y'all seen them in the light. Okay, y'all, so the picture that I got to hang up on our wall right here above the sink in the kitchen I just came from the package room to get it. It's a tiger. I'm opening it right now. I almost forgot about y'all. That's why I had to hurry up and get it. I'm like, hold on, I could be showing them. Yeah, I like this. This is gonna be fire. These are the ones that go in. These going in. Okay, now this is what it's gonna look like before it, like when it's on the wall, when it's like all together. But when I put it on the wall, it's gonna be separated a little bit. But yeah, I like this fire as fuck. Damn, I can't get no tax now. Shit. Just trying to give me some motherfucking tax, yo.
I'm putting pressure. You'll only cut me if I let you. No, what you're doing is just for pleasure. Either learn me or I'm a lesson. If you want me, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I want more than you could manage, baby. Oh, you're falling for me. Oh, baby, I caught it. Oh, we could be whatever you want, call it. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life all night. You could be telling me lies, making me cry.
Okay, y'all, just to finish hanging them up. I kept almost falling and shit, so I had to come turn the camera off. And then I kept messing up to where I had to keep on repositioning them. But they feel like this is the best that I'm gonna get it for now, so I just left it alone. And I fuck with it, alright. Okay, yeah, this is what it look like from this angle. We still gotta figure out what we wanna put on the counters, because we have no clue. I'm not gonna say we have no clue. I'm gonna ask Taylor, see what she was thinking about putting on the counters. Because I have no clue. That's what the fuck it is. I have no clue what to put up here. I don't want to just stuff it with like just random shit. Like, you know what I'm trying to say? Like, just put random shit up here like a fucking... I don't want just random shit up here. It's just... I feel like if it's going to be up here, it needs to match the aesthetic, the vibe, the... Like, it gotta match. It gotta match. It's only right. But yeah, now I'm just about to get my life together, clean myself up, and give me some food and relax, work on editing stuff, prepping more content. Let's get some more of this shit out. I got photo shoots to plan and all kind of shit. I can't sit here and just chit chat in y'all face today. So
You can back up a little bit. Oh, wow.
okay, y'all, come and make this broccoli, chicken, rice casserole with me. I thought one bag of rice wasn't gonna be enough, but clearly 2 bags was way too much because look how filled that potty is. That shit was ridiculous. Like, yeah, no. But I got this little recipe on Instagram, and it was fun. I ended up seasoning my chicken, y'all. I didn't get to show y'all that because I was just moving too fast. So half of this shit is just all over the place.
Open with me, oh, we could be honest. Closer to me, oh, giving me solace. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right.
Clearly, I don't take nothing serious. I'm too goofy for life. That's the problem. But I cooked my chicken and that shit looked good. Like, I'm about to give y'all a close up and real crispy, real fire. I was low key eating it right there. But I ended up mixing it all together with the sauce that I made. I also seasoned the sauce. I got the recipe off Instagram, like I said. Y'all see my iPad over there. I was looking. I was trying to figure it out. But I ended up mixing it all together. And this part was fun, not gonna lie.
No, we ain't doing this just for pleasure. Either learn me or I'm a lesson. If you want me, don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I want more than you could manage, baby. Oh, you're falling for me. Oh, baby, I caught it. Oh, we could be whatever you want, call it. Promise that you won't let me fall.
So basically, after I got it all mixed together and stuff like that, I was supposed to bake it. So that's why you see me putting it in this pan. Bake it, like you gotta layer it with the cheese, and then put another layer of the food on top, and then put the cheese on top again, and then set it in the oven and bake it. And honestly, y'all, that shit was fire. It was fire.
You could do damage. You could do damage. Oh, you could do damage. No, you could do damage. Yeah. Oh, you could do damage.
Okay, y'all, so food is done. And I'm fucking with it. I like it. I like it. It's all cheesy. You gotta hurry up and eat yours so you can let them know if you like it. It is hot. It just came out the oven. I thought it would be cooled down by now, but it was a 1 to 10. Oh shit. Y'all heard it here first. Bitch, it's a 10. It's Chef KC from now on.
Here's me gagging.
Okay, y'all, fast forward. I know this is like a hell of a jump, and y'all probably like, I'm everywhere, but that's just how my vlogs go, so just be down for the ride, motherfucker. But I am at the store right now, and it's Thursday. I just ran into this Valentine's stuff. Mind you, Valentine's stuff day is tomorrow, and this stuff just looks so cute. I can't pass it by. Like, what? Man, they showing out, like, all the way out. This is fire. I love this. Listen, I'm about to go crazy. Just pick some shit out. I got this bear. The flowers is looking good. They got some little shit up over here. Right now, I'm really just trying to figure out what flowers I would want to get her because I don't want to get roses. Like these here are just catching my eye. I'll fucks with these. I want them. So I'm gonna get them for her. I just got back to the house and I just finished putting these flowers in the vase for her. And I think I did a horrible job. But it's the thought that counts, so it don't even matter. Yeah. Ooh, these motherfuckers smell good. But see, I got some roses and a bouquet. It was called a kiss bouquet. It had all kind of different. Yeah, see them. And then these is the roses that I got. So I got 2 different. Y'all know what I'm saying. But I feel like I could have did better putting them in here though, cause it's like, But yeah, I'm gonna have this sitting up in the restroom. I'm gonna set the restroom up. See what's happening is I'm setting the restroom up. Let me show y'all. I'm gonna set these in here. Yeah, I got some red sticky notes that I'm about to put on the mirror. I'm about to make a heart on the mirror right now. Red sticky notes. Ooh. Bounce on the dude, bounce on the bounce. I hope I can make this heart right because I don't know. I never did this before. I feel like it's fucked up already. My clothes off because, not my clothes, that jacket and stuff, because it's getting real in here for me, shit. My phone came today too, y'all, so yeah, we got to 2 watches. Yeah, they caught me 2 times. I don't know if I'm doing this right, and I don't even know if you know what, I'm not doing this right. And I don't even know if I'm gonna, like, write on these. Should I write on them after I put them up or before? And she's so short, so she a shorty. You know what? I'm gonna write on them as I put it up. Let's do that. Okay, I finally just finished it. Now, I like it. Fire!
Yup.
I didn't write them on them yet. I gotta write on them. I don't even know why I put these up yet. I ain't even cut my hair. God damn it. Yeah. But I'm about to do some cleaning up a little bit. I also got a little thing with some candy in it. A little bit of chocolate. Something like a little thing of chocolate. So, yeah. When she see this nice little romantic gesture, everything will be clean. Nice and clean, so it can look nice when she sees it.
That's what the fuck I'm talking about. God, that's what I'm talking about.
You better clock that T. Shit. I didn't even do nothing to my head. Anyways, we're at the grocery store once again. Time to get the shopping. Lay it down. But I just came to kind of like pitch, just pop in, say what's up. But yeah, y'all not gonna be on the store run this time. So I'll see y'all when we done, basically. Yeah, I'm not even gonna be boosted. I love tropical smoothie. I finished it before we even get to the house. But yeah, we spent $21 fucking on eggs today. That's fucking crazy. I'm sick of this shit. This is some bull ass shit. Like,
Are we sure they're not
who said being grown was fun? I mean, I could do what I want to do and shit, but I want my money. I don't want to spend my money on you.
I don't want to talk about this.
They're pink. They're cute. Do you think I should do all pink like this or a little bit of light pink that we gave Mama? A little bit mix of both. Both.
For your shoe?
Yeah.
I would.
Mix of both.
Stick with one.
Okay. These are so
But yeah, who the fuck they feeling like? Who the fuck is this?
That's what I was trying to figure out.
I don't know who they feeling like, y'all. But our table came today. The table is supposed to go here in front of the TV. So I'm about to set that up.
Put these groceries up. Well, separate them for what needs to go on what, and then put them up.
Play my girl in the background, her interview for the Shade Room. So we got to see what's going on.
If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I'm worth more than you could manage, yeah. Open with me, oh, we could be honest. Closer to me, oh, giving me solace. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life all night. You could be telling me lies, making me cry, wasting my time the whole time. So just be careful what you take for granted. Yeah. Worry about it, I'm putting pressure. You'll only cut me if I let you. No, we ain't doing this just for pleasure. Either learn me or I'm a lesson. Going on. If you want me, don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I'm worth more than you could manage, baby. Oh, you're falling for me. Oh, baby, I caught it. Oh, we could be whatever you want, call it. Promise that you won't let me fall.
Okay, y'all. Just finished setting it up. It's fire. I like it.
Even if you're
Right up under the TV. Don't play. Hold on, Carisha girl. Hold on. Cause I got to hear you. It's fire. She over here making the rotel that we about to get for the night. That I'm about to eat. Put these roses over there. Cause yeah. Clock that. I like it. I fucks with it. Well, now all we waiting on is our picture still to go on the motherfucking wall. But I'm about to clean up all this stuff. And we got our rugs and stuff. We got more rugs like that and a beanbag that we gonna put in here. Yeah, it's coming together, y'all. It's coming together. Don't play, don't play.